The problem here is the two statistically independent zero mean random process are given as x of t and y of t, and these random process autocorrelation functions are given as rxx of tau is equal to e power minus mod tau, ryy of tau is cos 2 pi tau. Okay, and what is that here? We have to find autocorrelation function of omega 1t, that is x of t plus y of t, and find autocorrelation function of omega 2t, that is x of t minus y of t. Then we have to find the cross correlation of omega 1 and omega 2. Okay. Now we see the solution of these two. So what is given? It is given that x of t and y of t are statistically independent. X of t and y of t are independent. Okay, these are independent, and it is also given that it has zero mean. What is that? It has zero mean, and autocorrelation functions are given. That is rxx of tau value. It is given as this, and ryy of tau value is also given. It is given as cos of 2 pi tau. Okay. Now what is that given? It is given that in first bit, what is omega 1t? Omega 1 of t is equal to x of t plus y of t. Okay. Now we have to find out what is autocorrelation function of omega 1 of t. Okay. So can you tell me what is the formula for autocorrelation? Because we are using the same random process here, omega 1 of tau. What is the formula? It is the expected value of omega 1 of t into omega 1 of t plus tau. This is the formula for finding the autocorrelation of omega 1 of t. Okay. Now substitute omega 1 of t. What is omega 1 of t here? The omega 1 of t is equal to x of t plus y of t. So it is x of t plus y of t. Okay. Similarly, omega 1 of t plus tau. Replace t with t plus tau. Okay. So this can be written as x of t plus tau plus y of t plus tau. Okay. Now multiply these two terms and apply expectation separately to each and every term. Okay. So it is given as the expected value of x of t plus tau plus expected value of x of t, y of t plus tau plus expected value of y of t, x of t plus tau plus expected value of y of t, y of t plus tau. Okay, and what is given here? It is given that x of t and y of t are statistically independent. These two are independent. Okay. Now what is this? What is the formula of this one? Expected value of x of t plus tau. These two are from the same random process x only, yes or no? What is this formula? It is rxx of tau. Is it clear? So it is rxx of tau. Now, what is this here? The first variable is from x, the second variable is from y. So, what is this? It is rxy of tau. And observe here, the first variable is from y, the second variable is from x. So, it is r by x of tau. Okay. Now, observe here these two. These two are from the same random process y only. So what is this? It is ryy of tau. Okay. And what is given in the statement? It is given that x of t and y of t are independent. Okay. So from the properties of cross correlation, we know that if two random processes are statistically independent, their cross correlation will be zero. So what is the cross correlation here? It is xy or xy of tau is equal to 0. It is also equal to r by x of tau. Okay. So what is that we will be having here? We will have only r xx of tau plus r y of tau. Okay. So what is here? R omega 1, omega 2 of tau with will be equal to what is Rx of tau given in the problem? It is expected value of minus mod tau, and here it is cos 2 pi tau. So this is the cross correlation of omega 1. Okay. So this is R omega 1 tau. Okay. So similarly, we do what is R omega 2 tau. What is omega 2 here? So the second way, keep it. Omega 2 is x of t minus y of t. Okay. So it is x of t minus y of t, or omega 2 tau. Here is expected value of omega 2 of t plus tau. What is the difference here? Here we will be having minus sign. Okay. Here we have minus, and here also we have minus. Okay. Now we get minus here, we get minus here, we get plus here. Okay. And similarly here also. This is minus, this is minus, this is plus. And what is given in the statement? It is given that both x of t, y of t are independent. So the cross correlation will be between x and y will be 0. Okay. So Rxy of tau, Ryx of tau, both are equal to 0. So what is R omega 2 also same. R omega 2 tau is also same. Okay. So R omega 2 of tau is equal to what? E power minus tau cos of 2 pi tau. Any doubts here? The cross correlation R omega 2 of tau is given as what? It is given as the expected value of omega 1 t, omega 2 t plus tau. Is omega 1 t, omega 2 t plus tau. Okay. Substitute omega 1 t. What is omega 1 t? Omega 1 t is x of t plus y of t. What is omega 2 t? Omega 2 t is x of t plus t minus y of t. So what is omega 2 t plus tau? Is x of t plus tau minus y of t plus tau. Substitute this, right? What is R omega 1 omega 2 tau? It is expected value of what? It is expected value of x of t plus y of t. Okay. So then x of t plus tau minus y of t plus tau. It is same as the previous case. Y of t plus tau. Okay, multiply these two terms. This can be written as expected value of x of t plus tau. Okay, plus minus expected value of x of t, y of t plus tau. Okay, plus expected value of y of t, x of t plus tau minus expected value of y of t plus tau. Now what is your first term, students? What is your first term? What is the first term here? The first term is Rxx of tau. What is the second term? Rxy of tau. Okay. The third term is Ryx of tau. And the fourth term is Ryy of tau. Okay. And what is given in the problem? It is given that both x of t and y of t are statistically independent. So the cross correlation between x of t and y of t will be equal to 0. So Rxy of tau is equal to Ryx of tau is equal to 0 because x and y are independent. Independent. Is it clear? So what is that we get here? So these two terms will become 0. So what is r omega 1 omega 2 of tau will be equal to r xx of tau minus r y of tau. So what is r xx of tau is e power minus tau minus cos of 2 pi tau. So this is your what? This is your the cross correlation between omega 1, omega 2 of